Hello, good afternoon. Today I will solve a problem related to stepper motor interfacing, and here is my information. I'm Hussein Muhammad Sakhawat. My Chinese name is Sohan. This is my student number, and basically our problem is related to a stepper motor. A stepper motor will be controlled by a 8051 microcontroller, and in the middle we will use a decoder to control the motor from 8051 microcontroller, which is going to give the direction. So here is the condition. For condition, they're saying this mode two coil are energized at the same time, and this model produce more torque. Here the power consumption is also high. The following table is showing the sequence. This following table is showing the sequence or in different windings. So here is windings 1, 2, A, B, C, and G, and this is in binary code. You can see here 110001. So all are in binary code. 4 kind of step, that means 4 kind of condition. So I already draw the circuit in Proteus software. I'm gonna jump into the Proteus software. Before that, let me explain here some parts to make it clear. So this is our stepper motor, and this is one kind of decoder which will make connection with 8051 and the motor, and this is our 8051 microcontroller, which is the main part of this circuit, as a brain of the circuit. And this circuit is when we will run the code. It will be like that. Here this is the motor will move you following 4 condition, right? And here is the code. I need to mention here that I used C program, and to use C program in Proteus software you need to use Kyle compiler. So you need to install it before to use a C program in your Proteus software. So let's jump into the Proteus software to describe the code. So here you can see the code. Here at first I put a LED in port 2.0, and then we made a void delay int minj. That means integer inj. We called it to integer. For I, we made it 0, and then we started a for loop here for to given a millisecond value, and then here inj you can see here, and then we made another there is the main part of the code, the 4 condition I shown you here before. Now I'm talking about this one, this 4 condition. So this is the main for this condition. So here you can see rotation angle 0x0c. That means we are talking about this condition 1100. This is in here in binary, and here in Proteus software you can see it in hexadecimal, right? And then this 0x06, that means we are talking about this line 0110, and 0011, this one is 0x03, and for 0x09 this one is 1001. Okay, so and then we made a while loop for what? To control the to fulfill the loop. That means when they will rotate 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, and then 360 degree, we made a delay for 100 milliseconds. So it will stop for 100 milliseconds, and then it will start to move again following this condition, and then it will move again. So let's run the code. So let's debug it. So we already debugged, so there is no problem here, and then run the code. So now we can see the this is our motor, stepper motor. You can see 360, 90, 180, and then 270, like that. And here this is our decoder, and this is our 8051 microcontroller. So this is the whole part, and here is some resistor we can see here. Yeah, that's it. That's the solution of this problem. Thank you.